EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for February 25th, 2019. We will be dry today, but it is going to be very windy. A continuation of the winds that came in last night, and we're going to have some wind gusts in the 45 to 50 mile per hour range. I wouldn't be surprised if some of the higher elevations do go over 50, but I think most of us, I know despite the high wind warnings that were issued, I think that we're going to be generally 45 to 50 is what we're looking at for top gusts. But again, isolated areas, hyperlocally, you could get a little bit higher than that, especially with elevation. But it's just driven by the low-level jet that's kind of streaking over the area. We also have a very tight pressure gradient, as you can see by these tightly packed isobars that are moving along here, that are moving northwest to southeast. So that will start to slacken a little bit this afternoon. You see that here. See how they widen out a little bit? So it will start to die down, but it's going to be a very slow process. Okay, so you're going to have that windiest time most likely this morning, and then once we get in the afternoon, like every 3 hours or so, the top gust will go down about 5 miles per hour. So if your max gust was 45, expect a max gust of 40 at 3 and 35 at 6 and so on and so forth. So we're going to go a gradual step down with those winds today. Here's a look at the high-res NAM and the expected wind gust at 7 a.m. And you can see a lot of 45 to 50 mile per hour readings on this map here, and as we go forward in time, that pretty much continues through much of the morning until we get into the afternoon. Then we start to see this gradual step down. Still windy, though, but it is going to be stepping down a little bit as we get in the afternoon and approach the evening. And then we get in the overnight, it dries down even further. So we will get back down to normal levels overnight. So we're not going to be dealing with this for a very long time beyond, late this afternoon and evening when it starts to die down a little bit. But it will be dry today, partly to mostly sunny, and mostly sunny here on Tuesday as this high pressure moves into our region. It's actually sitting over the Great Lakes, and an extension of that is going to be over us on Tuesday. So mostly sunny skies Tuesday also, but much less wind to deal with. Winds are going to be at normal levels, 7 to 12, something like that, not really gusty. After that point, we have a series of clippers that are going to come in. The first of which is going to be Wednesday, either late Wednesday or Wednesday night. And this could produce a few snow showers across mainly northeast PA, but a few of those could get a little bit further south. We'll have to keep an eye out on that. It doesn't look like a big deal overall, but I just want to keep an eye on that just in case. First of two clipper systems I mentioned, because there's another one behind that after a mostly sunny day here on Thursday. It's another little weak clipper system comes in. You can see that right here. See that energy moving across. Now this is the European model projection. A little bit more robust with that, if you will, as opposed to just being a mix to rain event or something like that. This looks like it's trying to bring in at least some snow and maybe some light accumulations with it. So we want to keep a close eye on not only this one, but both of them. Wednesday night, overnight, and also Thursday night and Friday morning. Both could bring some minor accumulations of snow, and then you could have some mixing and or rain mixing with rain on Friday morning. And then we have another system right on its heels that's going to bring showers, it looks like, Friday night and Saturday. You see that here? It's not really heavy for the most part, but there will be a system cutting inland to our west. It's going to bring us some showers, it looks like, here into the day on Saturday. But this does move away and give us a nice Sunday. It will be much colder and breezy again, but it does look like we're going to be dry on Sunday. So that is your week ahead that we're looking at. No major storms to deal with. We're going to watch Wednesday night, and then also Thursday night and into Friday morning for those 2-week clipper systems, and then that subsequent system on from Friday night into Saturday that looks like it's just going to be rain as warm air advection in the region. But those first two we'll have to keep a close eye on, just because there could be some areas, especially in the interior, that see some light snow accumulations from that. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for February 25th, 2019. Have a great Monday.